I've never told my parents I love them. My parents has never told me they love me. You understand what I mean? I've never hugged my mom. So when it came time for me to date and all of that, I've had no emotional connections towards nothing.
I never had a father figure in my life. I never had that type of influence on me where somebody was showing me how to use my hands or how to go out and gain a skill that I could hold on to. So what drives me today is making sure that my seed don't get lost in the shuffle, because they're the only ones that matter at this point.
Even being where I was at with my father, I still chose as a young man to go explore. And me even knowing what was right from wrong and figuring out what to do, I still did wrong. You know what I'm saying?
My dad was nowhere around. I knew of him, but never seen him. And at one time, my mom told me that was my dad, and I was like, oh, okay. So when I got older, I had an opportunity to see him. He didn't tell me no, but he refused to see me because something was wrong with his headlights. It affected me so much where I said, that's not going to happen to my family.